Careful.
You have to blow at it, Alvina. Careful, you're going to dump it on the floor, you know.
Why don't you just spit on it?
Yeah, don't hold on to the plate.
If you spit on it, it will just go out.
Yeah, and then you have spit on your cake.
So,
that's right.
Go.
Don't sing the song, blow it out. Yeah, it is hard work. Yeah, now you're blowing it up your face. Blow at the camera, at the candle.
Blow at the candle. Oh, whoa.
See? I can blow it up from here.
Alvina, go. And then go.
I think you're just trying to annoy the candle. It isn't really good.
Come on, blow at it. Yeah.
So let's talk about your brother. So.
Like that.
And what did I say?
On it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Don't listen to
Give it a blow.
anything your
Quick.
brother said. Like.
Yay!
Like,
Now you have to eat the rest of it.
In front of a car.
Good job. Oh, you want your candle back. Okay, here's your candle. Watch the end, it's hot.
In front of a car that she shouldn't listen to when I say that. To me when I say that.
She shouldn't listen to you if you say anything, sorry.